Are you looking for ways to make money online today? Are you facing a difficult economic situation and you need to make extra money? Then stay tuned. This video is going to focus on how to make money purely online because it is so imperative to learn how to earn your living, especially in a virtual way. So I'm going to purely stick to how to make money online rather than doing something in person. So the first main tip is learning how to tutor students. Now, this might not be a lot of people's cup of tea to want to teach or be like a professor, so to speak. However, I would really encourage anyone out there to really hone in on this ability to try to teach somebody. Everyone has a certain expertise and you just have to exploit that which you're good at, because there's so many different platforms that you can do to help teach people in a variety of ways. So one site that you could try to do this would be a site called Chegg, Learn to Be, Tutor.com, Preply, and Pearson Smart Thinking. Another site as well that you could check out would be Flex Jobs. They do have a lot of postings online that are especially for part-time work and that you could do remotely. And also there's another site called VIP Kids. That's also a language teaching site. So I would really heavily encourage going down that route just to earn some extra money, because you don't have to dedicate a lot of time throughout the week. But if you need maybe another extra $100, $200 a week to cover your expenses, this may be a good route to go, especially given the economic situation we've been living in. Another thing that's really interesting that you could do, especially if you like photography, is sell your photos online. There are so many people that are looking for different photos that they need for their business online, for a certain type of event they're trying to have, and they need certain stock footage, pictures, and they need certain backgrounds of things. So selling your own photos could be huge for you. So some sites you could do that would be like Shutterstock or iStock Photo. And the reason I like this idea of trying to generate income on something like photography, especially if you have an eye for it, why not try to earn some extra money also on the side? The third tip that I would suggest is being a virtual home organizer consultant. The reason I think this would be a really fun and interesting idea, considering maybe a lot of people in certain parts of the world are still working remotely, spending a lot more time at home and with their family, and they want to have a good sort of space where they work, where they live. It is truly, truly important for some people to have help in how to organize certain things, because not everyone has that expertise. So what I would suggest, if you're really good at that kind of thing, like organizing things, putting things in its rightful place, getting rid of other things, the minimalist lifestyle like we talked about before, please click up here below. If you are really good at that, try to exploit that, and then you can offer those consultations virtually, Zoom. So these are just 3 basic general insights on how to make extra money going into 2022. And I have 2 main intentions with this. One is trying to help people go in the right direction and earn extra money. And I would encourage you to lean into at least one of them. And the second main reason I'm doing this is because a lot of things have gone to being online, virtual, in the way in which we engage, work, and socialize in the world. So why not try to generate that income online? And you could really be in the comfort of your own home and do that, and not have to worry about a lot of other logistical issues. So that's my main passion. And I'm going to keep doing different videos to give you general insights into that, and sometimes even more, deeper topics in a certain subject matter. So please stay tuned. And if you like this content, please, you have to click the notification bell below, because that will help you notify when a new video comes up. And also comment below, what do you personally think are some of the most important ways, methodologies that can really, really help them earn extra money? So please comment below. It'd be great to know. And we'll see you in part 2 of this part 4 series of how to make money online. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next episode. Take care, everyone.